Good morning. This is my Maytag 22 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It has the freezer located on the bottom and the refrigerator on top. It's 11 years old, and last week I had a malfunction where it would not defrost properly. Of course, the first thing I do is go out to YouTube and do a search and see if I can figure out what's wrong with this. And there are several really good videos out there, and I will include those in the description below. Now, the individuals posting the videos, while they did a good job, and they talk about these tech data sheets that are supposed to be included with the refrigerator, and the one individual showed where the tech data sheet was supposed to be located, and it was down taped to the bottom of the coils on the bottom of the unit. And I looked on my refrigerator and I could not find them, so I went back to his video, and I'm trying to follow along with his troubleshooting and trying to read the tech data sheets that he's using in his video. And it was very difficult, if not impossible, to try to go along and follow the instructions on the tech data sheets. To make a long story short, I finally found the tech data sheet on this machine, and they very cleverly glued it to the bottom of the unit in between the coils and the refrigerator frame itself, and it was virtually impossible to get at. I had to use a pair of long needle nose pliers to reach back in there, tear the bag apart, and retrieve the tech data sheets. So the purpose of my video is I've scanned here are the tech data sheets, and you will need these to be able to perform troubleshooting operations on this machine. So I've scanned them, and the individual pages will follow my little blurb here. Now, for what it's worth, I think I did determine what's wrong with this. This has a jazz board in it, and I think the jazz board in my refrigerator is okay. There is a damper valve control located in the upper section of the refrigerator in the back, and I think that is what caused the problem on my refrigerator. I took it apart, lubricated it, put it back in, and it seems to be working properly now. But in any case, again, the purpose of this video is to just include the tech data sheets so you can see them, stop the video, read them, and go through the troubleshooting procedures. And hopefully this will save somebody the grief of not, if they don't have their tech data sheets. From what I understand, sometimes they remove them before delivering the refrigerator. In any case, I hope this helps somebody. Have a nice day.